how you can use coupons on Temu. If you have some kind of coupons or promo codes that you can use, I'm going to show you how to activate them to get discounts on your checkout. First of all, open your application, and once you are in your app, tap on this U icon at the bottom. Here you can find many options, and you're just gonna tap on coupons and offers. And at the very top, you can see there is an option to enter your coupon code or your any kind of promo code. Once you have entered your code, you can tap on apply. So once you do that, what this is going to do is automatically apply your coupon code or your promo code to your checkout of any items that you are going to purchase in Temu. And while doing the checkout, you can get certain amount of discount from the coupons and get more benefits from it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Then I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.